Hey everyone, this is how to book hotels on Hopper. So the first step is to go ahead and open the Hopper app and make sure you're signed in. If you have not signed in, go ahead and check our previous video. So after you open the app, you'll see 4 options on the top of your screen. Go and tap on the first option called hotels. This might be the default option. So then start your search. So let's say I want to stay at New York, and after choosing the dates, Hopper will choose the best hotels for you for your specific location, and it is that easy. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.